If you want to translate with camera on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, first of all, we can open the camera. And then in the photo mode, we should be able to find the Google Lens icon in here on the top, this additional camera icon that we have here. This is Google Lens, so we can open it. And now we have the translate option at the bottom of the screen. We have the language detection, so most of the time you don't have to choose it, but in case you have to, of course, then you can just tap here and choose the source language. And then over here we can choose the target language. And if you point at something that is in a foreign language that you don't understand, then you should be able to translate the content by using Google Lens over here. You can, of course, also tap on the shutter in order to take a photo first, so that you don't have to hold the camera all the time. You can just quickly take a photo and then get the translation. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.